Do loose batteries clutter up your house? Is finding the right size impossible? And why do they always waste precious space? What you need is the Battery Daddy storage system, the new compact and portable way to organize, store, and protect all your batteries. Turn any disaster into an organized master. Battery Daddy uses both sides to store all types of different batteries, even coin size. The unique design groups them for easy selection. You could even find one with a blindfold on. Best of all, it packs 180 batteries, yet takes up about the space of a laptop. Perfect in any cabinet, drawer, or shelf. Forget flimsy bags or messy containers. Battery Daddy stays organized forever guaranteed, and the carrying handle lets you bring it anywhere. Use it during power outages and never go searching in the dark. Select the right battery for kids' toys in an instant, or tackle household chores with the precision of a pro. Watch out, loose batteries can touch and drain power. Not with Battery Daddy. They stay fully charged and protected in their own compartment. Plus, the clear locking lid lets you see everything at a glance. Amazing! What you need is the Battery Daddy storage system.